Well, so far working with SITECH, it's been great. Having that local company such as SITECH and having the men and women that work there that will meet the needs of your agency made it that much easier. So I've been able to expand our drone capabilities in the Ascension Parish Sheriff's Office. To be able to purchase locally is important to us, doing business locally, and to have the support. So you can buy a piece of equipment, you can buy a drone, but if you don't have support for it, it makes it that much more difficult to maintain. So to have a company like SITECH that can offer you not only the sale of drones, but also the support and the technology of drones, and to maybe loan your drone or rent your drone if one of yours is broke, or to come out and train your staff on drone procedures and how to actually fly the drone. Having SITECH here in the capital region has been a game changer for a lot of us in law enforcement to expand our drone positions in law enforcement.